Ern and I are facing each other diagonally in the blind, so you cover the most area with the least amount of movement.
And good thing we did too.
This bird shows up to Ern's calling completely unannounced. I can see him, but Ern can't.
There's nothing more frustrating than not being able to locate your game, but after a few directions from Lou, I was able to zero in on this guy.
Shut it down. Get ready. Be focused. Be tight.
All season, these hens have been showing up and pulling the gobblers the other way. And for today, well, let's just say we got a little help.
Unreal, my friend. Unreal. That's two in a row from this shack. I'm so shook. Yesterday we were hunting the same spot. My dad takes down a beautiful 10-inch longbeard. Same exact spot 24 hours ago. But the problem was this scrub brush here. Look how tall this stuff is, okay? we can't hunt from the ground because we can't see them coming in, and they're coming in silent. And another thing is, it's hard to see the decoys. So I smashed down some of that scrub brush, and I put the decoy in a low spot there. One on this side of the shack, and one diagonally on the other side of the shack. So if they approach from that way, they'll catch on that decoy. And if they approach from this way, like he did, they'll catch on this decoy. But that decoy wasn't spinning. There's no breeze at all today. We have been watching this Tom strut every bit of a half an hour. You guys could see him. He was coming in. I could not see him at all. My cameraman Lou was filming up over my back. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Because you know what? What a turn of events.
In comes a hen. Where does she come? She literally starts running. And you saw her run right across the frame there. She comes running into the, right towards us. She's now probably 10 feet in front of us.
That hen was calling so loud, and he was calling back to it. He really didn't want to have much to do with my calling, I'm telling you. But he had everything to do with these live hens. And it draws this guy a little bit closer.
35 yards. Squeezed it off and absolutely crumbled right there. Just an amazing, beautiful hunt. Looks like he's got about a 9-inch beard, 3/4, pushing 3/4, 1-inch spurs. Just an absolute beauty. One of the finest birds I've ever taken.